She called out to the man on the street. She said, "Sir, can you help me? It's cold, I have nothing to eat." He walks by like it's not